Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will be showing you how to find and access your saved chats in Character AI. If you have ever had a great conversation and want to revisit it, this tutorial will walk you through it step by step. Let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official Character AI website at character.ai. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, select a chat from your chat lists. This will open a chat box. Now you can manage your chat list. Next, look for an option, three-dot icon, and select history. Click on it and you will see a list of all your previous conversations. To open a conversation, simply click on the chat you want to review. From here, you can scroll through and read your previous messages. If you want to delete or organize your chats, look for options like delete or archive. This will help you keep your chat history clean and easy to navigate. And that's it. Now you know how to find and manage your saved chats in Character AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like this video, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.